none. And so you really have to do vendor-specific, i.e. NVIDIA and AMD-specific APIs to do quad buffer stereo in their systems. And in our 2.7 SDK, when we support DirectX, we will be shipping some sample programs that show how you would actually do that type of thing. Here's a question. What should one be careful with when using parameters, eye position, instead of matrices to use head tracking? That's actually a good question. The key here is, let's see if I can describe this cleanly. On the surface, oftentimes it seems that to do head tracking, all you're really doing is just changing the position and orientation of the camera. And there are some applications who have done that with head tracking. However, that is not specifically what's going on. If you look back at sort of the code that I was showing, the first step is changing the position orientation of the camera to actually represent where your head is at. But you need to pair that with an actual asymmetrical or off-axis projection to actually give you the correct stereo viewing environment. That basically gives you that look-around effect, which says, you know, I'm looking around an object. I'm not moving the camera, but I can actually see the side of the object from a perspectively correct position. And so that's the big thing that you need to think about when sort of implementing stereo projections without using our matrices directly. You're going to need to do an off-axis projection to do that. And there's lots of references.